Yan, pinindot ko na. Ay, mga lagi na isda.
So tayo po ay adapt ng CCTF, ang Climate Change Task Force.
Kila sa kanila po.
Nagpapaliw pa ako kay Postizo. Anyway, I'm so happy to be here with you, listening to each and every one, especially from the province, which I don't have any. Ramores. I did a project during the time of Mayor Ramores. Unfortunately, Mayor Ramores was beaten by Dr. Pedro de los Santos. Natapos ko yung project, si Dr. de los Santos na yun ngayon. And I also love that.
Provincial Director na Albay, si Kuya Eric. As a personal senior, you have mayroong kang buhay na wala na. Si Imelda Papin. Mga kamag-anak ko po yan eh. Kaya noong January 7, 1927, nagpa-audition din po ako sa Channel 7. Hindi po ako tinanggap.
Lalo gumaganda ang mga CID members, lalo na yung pagtatanim